Hey guys, long time no see. Welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. And this will be the reveal for the Mustang 60 group build hosted by Mike over at Scale Speedworks. So we're a couple days late, but I guess it's better late than never, right? So this is the AMT 1967 Mustang Fastback. And you guys following along, you guys know I've been putting a lot of work into this thing and making it look halfway decent. And I think it turned out pretty good. So I'm going to give her a spin around here and you can see how she looks. At the end of the video, I have a few stills I've taken and you can check those out too. So we kind of went out of the box stock category here, and you will see up here we added some jewels in the fog lights, the amber colored jewels in the fog lights here. And we also replaced the headlight lenses with clear jewels over here. So yeah, it's no longer box stock, guys. That's okay. We used AK Super Chrome on the bumpers and on the wheels. Check those wheels out. And you guys know I opened up those wheels. Oh, I think they look phenomenal. Scale finishes, dark moss green is beautiful. Bare metal foil, Molotov chrome pen. It's kind of dark. Let me turn this light on. There we are. You guys notice that license plate. I went and I used Justin Hart's technique, and I used a aluminum pop can. In this case it was actually sparkling water can, and I affixed the decal to it, cut it out in the shape of the license plate, and I put it on with some Bob Smith Super Gold Plus. Alright, so let me get this hood off here and we'll look under the hood. Now, we didn't plumb or wire it, we just did go box stock with it under the hood. We used our paint detail under there as much as possible. We used the decals. Of course, you can see a little bit of that interior. So you'll notice as I'm floating on by here that the glass is kind of wonky. It's not scratched up or anything. It's very wavy. And the front glass as well, it looks like it had some bubbles in it or something like that. So it's a little bit, you can see it right there as I pass by. You see that? It's got like a little bubble or something in it. But it's okay. And yes, I forgot the interior mirror. But that's alright. So yeah, we kept the bottom. You guys have seen this when we were going through the build process. Move this out of the way. We continued on with what we were doing here. And I think it turned out pretty good, guys. So once again, I'd like to thank Mike over at Scale Speedworks for hosting this group build. It was a lot of fun. This build got me out of quite the building slump that I was in. And I had a really, really fun time putting this together. I tried to put my best foot forward on this one, guys. And I really hope you guys like it. Alright, make sure you get over there and check out Mike's works at Scale Speedworks. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Happy modeling.